Hi, I'm Gareth. I'm a Digital Technology Solutions degree apprentice for Goldman Sachs. I'm most looking forward to the 6-month capstone project at the end of this course actually. Like you get that responsibility at the end and like a finished product to show like your skill set. So I think there are a few main benefits to choosing a degree apprenticeship. I think first of all, having your degree paid for, not having to go through the fuss of like choosing programs, also gaining that on-the-job experience at the same time. The application process was fairly standard, I think, in terms of software engineering jobs. There's like a high view stage, coding assessments through HackerRank, and there's also a few like in-person interviews and technical interviews as well. It's been great sort of meeting everyone and meeting all the module tutors and things and sort of cracking on with some of the work. It's been very intensive, and I'm sure it'll be a lot of hard work as well going forward, but I'm sure it's going to be really worth it. I think what excites me the most about digital technology is just the scope of the industry. So I'm really excited I'll get the opportunity to work, in a different sector, and that the skills will be transferable to a lot of other jobs as well. So what I would say is absolutely go for it. I think it's so worth it. I definitely had doubts when I applied, and the process was, lots of different things to do, but I would say 100% go for it and see if you can do it, because it's such a good opportunity. If I had to describe the course in 3 words, I would say intensive, rewarding and technical.